So I'm sitting having my morning coffee and I'm thinking about the tournaments and what's coming up and some of the things that we need for the tournaments, you know, and making sure that I've got all my rods and my reels and my line, and then it dawns on me. You know, one of the things that we run into, and I'm sure you do too, is that when you finally catch that fish and you open up that live well is empty. So what do? Right? Immediately we kick on our pumps and we're waiting and waiting and waiting. We might even put on the aerator to get more water in there. Hopefully remember the plug, right? And by the time we get that fish sitting in that live well, you know what happens. That fish turns over, belly up. So everything's got to stop. Everything has to stop, and I have to make sure that fish stays alive. You bass guys definitely know what I'm talking about. And I thought, you know, there's got to be a solution to this somewhere. There has to be a solution. And then came along Crusher Marine Products. What they came up with is a thing called a Survivor. The Survivor is a high-speed water pickup system. Goes on right onto your boat, no extra parts. You're not going to be doing any plumbing, you're not going to be doing any drilling, anything like that. It simply attaches to the same ports that are already there for your live well. This sits right on the bottom of your boat, and as motion goes with your boat, it's going to fill up that live well extremely fast. It's going to keep it with fresh water, new water. It's going to keep it aerated. Everything we need to keep those fish alive, because some days, as some of you know, if you don't catch quite enough, you want to put those things back. And we want to save every fish we can. And for 20 bucks, I mean, what a way to have small money make a big difference in our fishing. So if you want yours, go out to crushermarine.com. Please do me a favor, let them know that Matt Jollymore sent you. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to install the Survivor. Alright, so now we're going to install the Survivor. And it shouldn't be a shock to anybody, I am not going to look at the directions on how to do this. What are the tools I'm going to need? Simply a screwdriver. Take off your filter. Get your Survivor. Set this up so it's 1/8 of an inch below the bottom of the boat. Tighten her up. And we're done. So there you have it. Installed in less than 2 minutes and no extra parts. So if you want one of these, go out to crushermarine.com. In the comments section, please mention Matt Jollymore. And if you like this video, you know what, give me a like at www.facebook.com/JollymoreMatt. We'll see you on the water.